Hey everybody, I'm Adi and welcome to Midlife Crisis. This is the channel we've decided to rename just because everything we tend to be doing is probably what you do in a midlife crisis. Well, that's what I think anyway. Right, today it's the GoPro 10 challenge. We've got the GoPro 10, we've set it up and we are going to see how good, bad, indifferent, whether it's better than the 7 or not as good as a 7 or whatever it's going to be. It is what it is. So I'm hoping that it's going to be a big improvement, and we shall find out as when we go to edit it and sort the video out. So we're going to take you for a ride today. We're on the Jitsa. We've got some friends with us, so we've got a rear-facing camera as well. So hopefully we'll be able to get some footage of them as well. And yeah, thank you so much for joining us. Please remember, subscribe if you're enjoying the videos, press the bell, and just come along for the ride. And then let's go. Couple of things. It's not going to be a long ride today. We haven't got a lot of time today, so we're just going to go around some of the country lanes that we really enjoy ourselves, that aren't too far from home, and it keeps us very close to home. I don't think at any point today we're more than 20 miles from home. I'd like to thank these two for coming along for the ride. Yeah, hello mate. Again, like I say, I put the rear-facing camera on. I'm hoping that we get some decent footage of these two guys, and it comes out well. We're going to be trying to do more of this sort of thing as we go along. What I've actually done is I've used a sticky pad on the back of the bike, and the idea behind that is to see if this camera disappears. This one's not an expensive camera, I think, so if it did go, it would be just one of those things. However, if it stays, then we'll be using the Hero 7 on the back, and hopefully we're getting some nice footage and nice sounds. This camera tends to, sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't, so let's just see how it goes. So yeah, we're enjoying these country lanes. We're coming down, and it's nice to see, being able to see people following you. I think it's great. And with a big bit of luck and a huge bit of luck, we'll get some good footage. Just going down some of my favourite country lanes now. I tend to bring, if I do a test or you want a bike, I tend to bring them down this way. There's a lot of undulation, nice bends, not too much traffic, and it's a good road. Forward to seeing the sort of sound as well. Every report I've seen on this GoPro 10 have said that it's just a lot better sound wise, picture wise. So I'm looking forward to this, and so I'm just gonna jitster up a little bit and hopefully get some good sounds coming through. We'll have to see, obviously, when we go into looking at the footage, but we'll have to see what it sounds like. These sounds up. It sounds so good, this bike. It sounds amazing. One of the things that we've done, I don't know if you can see whether the footage will show it or not, we put a double bubble screen on, and it is making a big difference. It's taking the wind blast off my helmet. So yeah, highly recommend one of these on the Jitsa. Awesome, absolutely awesome. Usual site where you get everything from. Brilliant. hoping the back camera's still on and it's taking footage, and hopefully if it is, then we'll be able to use the Hero 7. I know that the audio on this camera is not very good, so if it is, then we'll be improving that as well. We've also added an RNG engine cover, crash cover, just in case the inevitable might happen. These roads I came down on the GSXS GT last week or whatever it was. We're just flying down now on the GSX. Again, the reason I use these is they're ideal for doing reviews because there's a bit of undulation. Some really nice bends. It does show the suspension off on most bikes, and that's one of the reasons why we like to come down here. Again, we're never too far away from home either, so just enjoy these few bends then. Jamie was out with me today. He went out with somebody who told him that all his lines were wrong and that he was going around the corners badly. They were saying on the left hand main you start off in the gutter and then you feed out towards the white line. I'm sorry, but if you get the motorcycle news, if you look on the internet and everything, they will clearly tell you to start from the white line, go in towards the gutter and come back out to the white line. Apparently it was a bit of a know-it-all, so you know, if somebody's giving you advice and you're not 100% sure about it, then go and check it out. Definitely check it out, because that's one thing I wouldn't like to be trying to do. If you go around the corner a little bit too quickly and you've got your lines wrong, it can go wrong very easily. So please make sure that you whatever people tell you, just check it out as well, just to make sure it is 100%. That's it for today. Thank you so much for watching. Ride safe everybody, take care, bye bye.